winter's breath upon the glass. A silent world is drifting past the mountains wear a coat of white, bathed in the moon's soft holy light. The quiet falls on hill and stream, a peaceful waking winter dream. Oh, the quiet of the snow, watching gentle creatures go through the forest calm and deep, while the weary world's asleep. This Christmas peace, a silent dark, a tranquil beat within the heart. A lonely fox steps through the frost, no symbol hurried footstep lost. The river sleeps beneath the ice, a frozen wild paradise. The stars ignite their velvet dark and leave their bright and hopeful mark. Oh, the quiet of the soul, watching gentle creatures go through the forest calm and deep, while the weary world's asleep. This Christmas peace,